Wednesday, October 14th. We don't have any plans for today. So we're just kind of relaxing at home, doing things around the house. And partially, I guess it's good that we didn't have plans for today, because it is, there's a storm coming through. So lots of rain. It's actually pretty windy outside. Hard to tell, but so don't really feel like going out in the rain. And it's kind of the first, I guess, big rain that we've had in quite a while. So we're just doing things around the house today.